Hi kids, this is the second part of the video lesson, Glimpses of Past. Since we are talking about the revolt of 1857 and freedom fighting, we'll remember a few martyrs. Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tatya Top, Begum Hazrat Mahal and Nana Sahib. I have named them from left to right for your convenience. Let's start with the company's conquests. During 18th century, British East India Company was extending its power in worldwide. That time, Indian princes were fighting each other. East India Company subdued Indian princes one by one. Since they were fighting with each other and they didn't have unity, it was easy for the East India Company to subdue them. This is British India map. You can clearly see British dominions, independent states, provincial states, French and Portuguese rule. Now let's talk about British rule between 1765 to 1836. Religious leaders preached ideas like untouchability and child marriage. The British imposed heavy taxes on farmers so that farmers had to abandon their fields. The East India Company's law began to cripple Indian industries. British invented other methods which gave them profits. Inevitably, famines followed between 1822 and 1836 and 15 lakh Indians died of starvation. Starvation means hunger. Now, let's talk about Raja Ram Mohan Roy. You must have heard of him. Here's a picture of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a learned person from Bengal, understood what was wrong with this country. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge. He went to England and fight for the justice of India. He said to his wife, cows are of different colors, but the color of their milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every knowledge is the same. Now comes the operation between 1765 to 1835. Here's a picture of Lord William Bentinck. British continued to oppress Indians. In 1818, they had passed Regulation 3. Under it, an Indian could be jailed without trial in a court. By 1829, Britain was exporting British goods worth 7 crore rupees to India. All the time, British officers in India drew big salaries and also made fortunes in private business. At that time, Bentinck was the Governor General of India. Now comes the dissatisfaction between 1835 to 1856. He is Thomas Macaulay. Education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. During 1835 to 1856, Thomas Macaulay suggested some change in Indian education. They taught Indians their language. In 1856, the British had conquered the whole of India. They cared a little about the needs of Indians. Now came the spark between 1855 to 1857. Here's a picture of Mangal Pandey. If you remember, Amir Khan played a role of Mangal Pandey in a film. You must watch it. So some Indian soldiers in East India Company were unhappy with the attitude of East India Company. A soldier named Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment and executed. Now the revolt of 1857, the infamous revolt of 1857. Here's a picture I found from internet. So in 1857, a violent revolt was outbroken in Meerut. The rebellion spread wider. Many landlords lost their lands because of the British policies. That's it for this chapter. I have given the explanation. In the next video, we'll discuss the questions and their answers. Till then, stay safe. Thank you, kids.